Ever harbored the dream of crafting your own YouTube-like website? A platform where people can share, enjoy, and explore content, which could be a lucrative venture for you? Well, today, we unravel the process of making this dream a reality. And the best part? You don't need to be a coding wizard to do it. Now, you might be wondering, how is this even possible? Well, the answer lies in a powerful tool called Media Magnet PHP Exodus. This tool, ladies and gentlemen, is your ticket to creating a thriving online video platform without writing a single line of code. To start off, you need to understand what Media Magnet PHP Exodus is. In simple terms, it's a script that allows you to create your own video sharing website. It's as simple as that. But don't let the simplicity fool you. This tool is packed with features, from content management to user registration, video uploading to analytics, and so much more. So, how do you use Media Magnet PHP Exodus to create your own video sharing website? Here's a step-by-step guide. First, you'll need to purchase the Media Magnet PHP Exodus script. This is a one-time purchase that gives you unlimited access to all the features. Next, you'll upload the script to your web host. Don't worry if you're not tech-savvy. The process is as straightforward as uploading a file to your Google Drive. Once the script is uploaded, you'll need to install it. Again, this is a simple process, and you'll be guided through it step by step. After installation, it's time to customize your website. Choose your preferred colors, upload your logo, and set up your site's layout. Remember, this is your platform, so make it reflect your vision. Now, with the website ready, it's time to add content. You can upload videos, create categories, and even set up user registration. With Media Magnet PHP Exodus, you can manage all of this with ease. Finally, it's time to launch your website. Share it with the world, invite people to upload their videos, and start building your online community. But creating the website is only half the battle. To truly make it a profitable venture, you need to monetize it. With Media Magnet PHP Exodus, you can easily set up ad spaces, premium content, and even subscription plans. So, why not give it a shot? Why not turn that dream of having your own YouTube-like website into a reality? And remember, with Media Magnet PHP Exodus, you're not just creating a website, you're creating a platform, a community, and potentially a lucrative business. So go ahead, unleash your creativity, make your mark in the online world. With Media Magnet PHP Exodus, the possibilities are endless.